We are in Goa. Like it took me from there to there, and मैं घसीट के, like there were so many fucking rocks, and मैं से घसीट के गिर गई, and now my whole fucking foot is gone. It's so pretty. Wow.
है कि अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे कोई और ऑप्शन होता जाने के लिए मैं जा चुकी होती.
Don't fall. Finally, we had been planning this for actually fucking 2 days. It's quite impromptu. Yeah, I am here with Pratham. Pratham, can you just show your face? Okay, thank you. That's a lot of effort from your end. Starting with a fucking room tour. So this I got in a collab, okay, not on YouTube, like on Instagram. They reached out to me earlier, and then uske baad I like texted them back ki bhai I am coming now. So yeah, we got a 2-night free stay here, but we wanted to stay for 4 nights. So the rest we are extending, like we are paying ourselves as if, I mean that sounds a little out of touch. Anyway. So I initially thought that they would give us like a grand cottage or फिर जो भी one room. But they have given us a motherfucking suite. Like this is the ground floor, and then there's like these stairs. They go up to the room. So I want to give you a tour, and then we'll continue with the vlog later. This is the view outside, and this is where you enter from. Welcome to my house.
You want wide angle?
As long as you can see my face, it's fine.
Yeah.
This is the ground floor. We've got one bed and another bed over there. No, it's fine. Don't put.
It's too zoomed in.
Okay, wait. Another bed right there. And then, come. We have this thing where we're doing nothing. So, then a washroom, which is just a basic gas cottage. ठीक है, दिख गया. You don't have to. And then this area which does nothing. So if you come with your friends, I think you can just stay here. And these stairs. Come. When you enter, you have this, which is nothing, but you can see the sea from here. Then you turn around, and then there's a little vanity table. Just about gun there, so don't show that. Come. This is our bed. And then we have a balcony where हमारे गंदे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं because we went for a swim earlier. Oh, and yeah, you can see the ocean from here. Why is my footage so blue? Okay, fuck it. That's it for the room tour. I'll see you guys in a bit now.
अब देर रात तक भी
रात तक 1 बजे तक रहता हूँ, बाद में जाता हूँ घर में.
पर आप रात के समय ज़्यादातर क्या नॉर्थ में अच्छा सही साउथ में रहते हो क्या?
साउथ में ना नॉर्थ में रहता हूँ.
नॉर्थ में रहते हो?
साइड में.
आपका नंबर ले लूँगा भैया.
Together. Well, look, my haircut was confused. It's a little short, no? Not nice.
No, it's nice.
Guys, we just got done with our first swim. I couldn't record because I didn't get my tripod out. हम अभी पहुँचे ही हैं, and we're just walking towards the shack. I look like Ajay Devgan right now, but it's so pretty.
I've got a lot of things.
It's giving Thailand vibes, guys, like how we did in Thailand. Pratham, you don't want to swim in the pool? You don't want to swim in the pool? Okay. Right, we had gone to eat some pasta and वो बच गया है तो हम यहाँ पूछने जा रहे हैं they can heat it up for us because obviously we missed breakfast and इसके बाद भी हम ऐसे बाइक वाइक रेंट वगैरह करने जाएंगे तो we don't know हमें टाइम मिलेगा कि नहीं खाना खाने का so I hope they heat it up because वैसे तो मना कर देते हैं but hi, can someone heat this up like in the microwave, yeah, and just give some 2 forks with it. Okay, thank you. Oh wow, they're very nice. Very sweet. Tomorrow I kind of don't want to miss breakfast. It seems like it's nice, right? You want to finish it? Okay.
Also with your egg and cheese sub.
We're walking towards the place, the bike place, and it was like a 700-meter walk. मैं पिघल के प्रथम के कदमों में जा चुकी हूँ. It's so hard. Oh thank God.
ये तो गाड़ी रेंटल का है शौनक.
Thank God.
शौनक ना. हाँ.
For all this trek, it better be a nice one, Pratham.
क्या नंबर बचाए थे?
3962. तो यहाँ तो है ही नहीं कोई 3962. ये वाला?
अब पूछना एक बार.
It looks pretty cute. It's giving Vespa vibes. Is this a Vespa? I was dying, so he literally asked me to sit in the guard's seat. And Pratham has made another friend. I like this color better, but Pratham wants this because this is newer. Thank you. Round 2, Pratham. थोड़ा आगे. Guys, quick pit stop, and this is giving me major nostalgia because in my first Goa vlog on my channel also we came literally to this place and Pratham was buying some shirts and he's still buying some tank tops. Yeah, it's fine.
Huh?
It's fine. Yeah, looks nice. Auntie nahi, auntie. Yes, this is where we stayed when we came with our friends. And
There's just a delay there. So we've left the samples with the
okay, so do you have an idea because they're gonna tell you what they want to do with it or guys, so I had gone for a swim. I'm so tan. Look at this. And we didn't realize but like we went in fully and then वहाँ पे कोस्ट गार्ड आया और उसने हमें बोला कि बाहर निकलो तो मुझे लगा क्या ही है. मैं वापस मुड़ी. This one wave, it just fucking took me. Like it took me from there to there and मैं घसीट के like there were so many fucking rocks and मैं ऐसे घसीट के गिर गई and now my whole fucking foot is gone. Like my foot is injured. I'll show you. Look. This is from Kotao. It's from Goa. I'm carrying my own souvenirs.
Tell me where already get caught?
Here. See here. Yeah, this whole thing. Then here. There was something here. वो तो मैंने निकाल दिया है पूरा. Yeah, it's not there anymore. And my hand. I literally came out of it और मैंने ऐसे बस अपने पैर पे ऐसे किया. Finally, when I got like a hold of myself, and मैं अपने हाथ पे देख रही हूँ and it's just filled with blood. Like you can't see right now, but like जैसे मैं बाहर निकली थी, that time I was like dripping with blood. You're waiting for them?
So 2 fresh towels also.
Okay.
First aid kit's already come.
It's fine, chill. Tell them it's fine, I can do it myself. Thank you. The see if they have like,
Light it up. We will listen, no?
they have Dettol or something. Just check na.
Antiseptic is there, yeah.
Fuck, बहन चोद बहुत जलेगा.
I know, but you have to bear it.
No.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
I'll do it, okay?
Pratham, don't put a lot, please.
Yeah.
अबे यार. It's gonna hurt. Wait.
It's gonna hurt. Yeah. Please. It's fine. What do you want to eat? Tell me.
Why you don't have to distract me? I'm
No,
not a
tell me,
kid.
but I'm asking.
Don't.
I have to rub it. Okay?
Yeah, it's fine. It's not burning that much.
It's good?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Come on, you're stronger. You're stronger.
It's like fucking burn.
No, I know.
Ah!
Maybe I'm just getting the liquid. Stay strong.
It's fine. That open one was hurting more. This is fine. This is a few minutes later and damn, I'm fucked, guys. You know what? I was telling my mom, I called her and I told her that I got hurt a little bit and she was like, "Sunye, Pandit ji ne mana kiya hai pani mein jaane se," which is true. Like the Pandit who gave me this ring, he said that आपको सिर्फ एक चीज से दूर रहना है, deep waters. Look at where I am. I would not like to put this out in the universe that deep water can hurt me, because it can't. Water loves me, the universe loves me, everything is good, everything happens for the best. I got a little hurt so that the waves just pushed me back to the beach so I don't get more hurt. This is how I'm taking it. Anyway, now my shin hurts, my shin ramen, and Pratham has gone to get some towel so that I can take a shower. एंड या भाई मैं मतलब ऐसे एक वेव आई, ठीक है, वहाँ से लाइफ गार्ड वो जो भी होते हैं कोस्ट गार्ड, ठीक है, उन्होंने आवाज़ मारी कि यहाँ रॉक्स हैं. जैसे ही उन्होंने बोला एक वेव आई धौड़ मेरे को नीचे करके, एंड देन ऑल दिस हैपेंड. लाइक आई जस्ट कुड नॉट लाइक स्टैंड. लाइक एवरी टाइम आई वुड स्टैंड, आई वुड गो इनसाइड अ रॉक. ऐसे ठुक के बाहर निकली. एंड जैसे ही मैं कोस्ट पे आई, मैंने अपना ऐसे हाथ पैर पे मारा होगा करके, और फिर मैंने ऐसे किया, मैंने देखा पूरा खून है. मैंने कहा my beautiful face, but nothing happened to my face, so we're okay. But I'm gonna take a shower and get ready and then go out to eat, because we haven't eaten anything except that little bit of pasta. So like, do we go to Burger Factory or do we go to someplace else?
It's up to you.
Yeah, but diagonal
Like this,
more
right?
more.
Like this?
Huh.
Huh? Here, right?
Huh.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, fine.
ठीक है?
Huh. Sorry.
चाहे put it. ये मैले पैर है तेरे प्यांशी. हाँ?
Because I'm wearing your chappal. No, that chappal has sand in it.
So you put on my clothes. अरे I'm kidding यार.
Still keep it. Keep it as that also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shut up यार, just put. नहीं इधर नहीं. हाँ इधर ही.
Next, we'll pick up some more band-aids, okay?
एक ही बारी में ठीक हो जाएगा भाई, ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है.
अरे कल फिर से लगाना पड़ेगा.
छोड़ ना. One day is enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. In the middle, like yeah. You're sweating or what?
Yeah.
That's your sweat. The fuck?
It's very hot. Let it be open. See, only the wounds where it's bleeding.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, इतना काफी है.
चलो.
Sure. Time to finish up my makeup. The lighting sucks, but hold on. I have the influencer light. Whoa. I love the water. Why doesn't the water love me? Now we're deciding if we should go to Burger Factory. Because I've been there once when I came with my cousins. Like I also want to try like some other places. I don't know if I want to go to Burger Factory only. But I do wanna. I'm very hungry भाई. मैंने सुबह से जो सड़ेला वो खा रखा है पास्ता, और प्रथम को तो भूख ही नहीं लगती है. Like he's a skinty queen like that. But I am not, bro. I get hungry, okay? I'm a hungry chap. Now, should I put mascara? I don't want to. Mascara ruins my mood a lot. I'm going to blow dry my hair though. I got all my jewelry in this little coach bag. Oh यार, वैसे तो मैंने ये पहना हुआ है. But my subscribers gave me this also. आई थिंक दिस इज मोर द वाइब राइट. ट्राई करके दिखाती हूँ. एक्चुअली दिस आई विल वेयर विद माई बिकिनी. आई डोंट वांट टू वेयर इट विद दिस. मैंने ना स्टोरीज डाल दी ना. वैसे मैं अपनी ट्रिप की बहुत कम स्टोरीज डालती हूँ, पर इस बार मैंने ज़्यादा स्टोरी डाल दी. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उस चक्कर में नज़र लग गई है मुझे, या फिर मेरे पर्सनल चूती आपकी वजह से है. लेट मी नो बिकॉज आई वुड लव टू ब्लेम इट ऑन समवन एल्स. Maybe are you down, 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 down. मैंने मम्मी को बोला मम्मी एक ना मेरे लिए कंघी ले आना. वो सही में बिल्कुल चितकबरी कंघी ले आई है कोई मंगल बाजार की. और मैंने ना अपने जो मेरा हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है एक ही है ठीक है, मैं जिसको ट्रस्ट करती हूँ, मैंने उसको बोला भाई मेरी बात सुन, मुझे ना लेंथ छोटी ही रखनी है क्योंकि जब मेरी लेंथ लंबी होती है ना तो मैं बहुत इन प्रोपोर्शन लगती है मेरी बॉडी. सो आई लाइक लंबी लेंथ. मैंने बोला लेंथ छोटी मत करियो, बस नीचे नीचे की लेयर दे दे. मेरे मतलब अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि लंबी नहीं है, बट मेरे बाल यहाँ तक थे. ये 1 इंच तो नहीं है भाई. दिस एंट 1 इंच. मेरी उसके बाद उसने काट के बोला मैम ठीक है. तो भाई अब मैं बोल भी दूंगा अगर कि नहीं सर ठीक नहीं है तो आप कौन सा चिपका दोगे मेरे बाल वापस. सो आई माइट एज वेल जस्ट कीप माई माउथ फकिंग शट राइट. नाउ डू आई ब्लो ड्राई माई हेयर या ऐसे ही रहने दूँ. थोड़े से कर देती हूँ. दूसरों पे मैं देखती हूँ भाई उनके कर्ल्स इतने डिफाइंड और मेरे कर्ल्स तो ऐसे जैसे मतलब नाला से लेके आए उसको. एक ये ऊपर का जो मेरा क्राउन सेक्शन है ना इसको अच्छे से कर देती हूँ. नो मैं हेयर लुक्स नाइस. बैठ क्यों गया? नहीं I'm done. चल just keep whatever you want to in my bag.
Yeah, whatever.
Wait, let me keep my foot, okay? Wait.
Done?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep. Let's go. Why is it giving side part fiancé 2014? एक पफ भी बना लेना चाहिए मुझे. एंड जो छोड़ भाई प्रथम, मेरे को नहीं खाना बर्गर. मेरी खुद की बर्गर बन चुकी है. चल के. और if it's not nice?
It's fine right now. I just don't fuck me.
Yeah. Guys, so we
When you talk to her,
yeah.
you sound very South Indian.
What? I've noticed it at home also because my sister keeps saying it. We've been sitting here for like almost 30 minutes and हमने order place कर दिया सब and then they were like, by the way, it's gonna take 1 hour. Like what the fuck, bhai? What the fuck? Like I'm gonna diss them a little bit because if burgers are your speciality, then how the fuck are you taking 1 hour to make a burger? चल मैंने सोचा ले भी लिया, ठीक है बहुत रश है, ले भी लिया अपना टाइम. तो उसके बाद मैंने पूछा कि ओके कैन वी गेट सम साइड्स. सो दे वर लाइक यू नो व्हाट, आप ही साइड हट जाओ क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको साइड्स भी नहीं मिलेंगी. सो व्हाटएवर यू फकिंग वांट you will have to wait for 1 hour. है कि अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे कोई और ऑप्शन होता जाने के लिए मैं जा चुकी होती. बट आई थिंक देव नेल्ड देयर मार्केटिंग. उनको पता है कि बंदा जाएगा नहीं छोड़ के, इसलिए अगर मैं बोल भी देती कि हट भाई मैं नहीं बैठ रही तो मुझे बोलते कि चल यहाँ से निकल, 4 लोग और बैठे थे सीट पे बैठने के लिए. सो नाउ आई कांट इवन गेट अप एंड गो टू अनदर शैक टू ईट समथिंग लाइट बिकॉज आई नो दैट लाइक कोई और बैठ जाएगा आके. सो ऑल आई हैव टू जस्ट सिट हियर एंड लुक एट प्रथम्स फेस. And because I'm so hungry, I'm mad. समझा?
Everyone's looking at you, you know, like what the fuck is this bitch doing talking on camera?
So odd, bhai. Okay, that was it. I'll check in later.
People
पूरे के पूरे 45 मिनट्स बाद मैंने इनको बोला कि आप हमें कुछ तो दे दो, लाइक कुछ तो दे दो, हमें बर्गर की टिक्की अलग दे दो, अब बन मेरे को बाद में दे दें, बन पहले दे दो. They were like, sure, we can get you something. And look at what they've gotten. ये 17 चिप्स. लिटरली ओनली 17 चिप्स. तो ये जो मैंने चिप्स बताया आपको 2 कौड़ी के चिप्स, इससे अच्छे तो मेरे इज इट आवर्स इट्स अगेन देयर्स. फक, जो लोग हमारे बाद बैठे थे उनको दे दिया. I swear to God, if it's not good,
be good. Not worth 1 hour.
Not worth 1 hour at all. Bhai, this fucking took them 1 hour. 3 on 10. Rare sight of Pratham recording something. What is Instagram? He hasn't posted even one thing since 2023. Pratham, last time you posted was in Goa only, remember? I clicked your picture and that.
And the next time I post will be in Goa again.
Yeah. They'll be like, this bastard only knows one place. हम लोग ऐसे ही रैंडम एक्सप्लोर करते करते कहीं भी पहुंच गए एंड नाउ वी आर इन सम रैंडम ऑफ बीट प्लेस जहाँ पे सारे लोकल्स रहते हैं. लाइक देयर आर नो होटल्स, नो रिसॉर्ट्स, नो टूरिस्ट एंड लुक एट द रोड इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. लाइक आई डोंट इवन नो वेयर इट्स गोइंग, इट्स जस्ट गोइंग. ओह लुक एट द फकिंग क्लाउड्स.
Yeah.
It's raining. Like you can literally see the line.
Yeah. Like literally where it's starting and stopping.
Yeah, like that's crazy. Another rare sight of Pratham recording, and no one's going to see it. He's not going to post it anywhere. I feel like if we get married, also he won't post anything, and then he'll post something when Ronaldo, I don't know, gets married. Like, oh my god. He's not married. They're not married. But like, if you don't even know that, you're probably not a real fan.
When's his birthday?
When's his birthday? 29th Feb. When is his birthday?
5th Feb.
See, Feb, I was right.
1885.
1885.
1985.
ये भी नहीं पता. Hey, it's a few hours later and I am all alone because Pratham has gone outside to get me. Guess what? A fucking packet of pads. Because guess who decided to show up? Like, I wanted to go to tomatoes. I didn't want tomatoes coming out of me. I've gotten my fucking period. And now I don't know if I should be happy because at least like now that I'm in pain, I'm at least with my boyfriend, or sad that I'm on a vacation with my boyfriend and I've gotten my period. Like मुझे नहीं पता मैं खुश हूँ या दुखी. But anyway, मैं इतनी टूटी हुई हूँ भाई from every corner. I think I'm going to eat some of the burger that I didn't eat वहाँ पे.
Pretty decent though. I mean, I kind of liked it.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Like it was good. It's just that the fucking weight was not good.
So they just give it in the plastic like that, in the paper bag like that.
They should give like fries
Yeah.
and not fucking paper chips.
I'll tell you, I think they ran out of fries today.
I don't think they ran out of fries. I think they just try to make it look healthy, so they're giving like these
But
chips.
Yeah. Oh, these are also fried as fuck.
What?
Dinner के लिए कहाँ जाना है तुझे? Dinner?
You know what tomatoes, right? आपकी बहुत beautiful tongue cameo हो रहा है. You know, fun fact, Pratham can't fold his legs. Like he can't sit like this alti palti मार के. He can only sit a certain way. Like इसकी टांग पूरी नीचे नहीं जाती है. Okay, just see. He can only sit like this. Fully, if you put it down ना, जैसे मैं बैठी हूँ ऐसे बैठ, जैसे ऐसे बिल्कुल ऐसे करके.
I can't even cross it like that. Like.
Just like, see, I'll show you how I'm sitting. Like imagine these are my, just like one here, one here, inside.
But my leg won't move like that, Bianchi.
You put it inside. It's just not going. It's not. It just doesn't. You're so stiff. Like you, for someone who plays football, I feel like your legs are too stiff. Move.
No, it doesn't affect your football, bro. Like this.
Yeah. So bring it down, no. Like you have to put pressure. You can't just like sit like this.
I can't go like that.
Yeah.
We are here. Arambol is here. Okay. Just look at the one of beaches now.
Oh yes, we're gonna do that. Wow. Okay. Like different. It's like a trend where basically there are two words like okay Lodu. You have to say it in 4 moods. Like number 1, supportive. Number 2, disappointed. Then sarcastic. Then sorry. Like okay Lodu. Like you know.
I know. I've
you
seen
know.
this. Yeah, I can't do that.
No, it's so funny. It's so funny. Okay, I'll start for you. Okay. First is supportive. Okay. It's like imagine I'm saying it to you. You tell me something.
I should feel supported then.
You should feel supported when I say it. Wow. Okay.
That's very sarcastic.
No,
That's
no.
more sarcastic
No.
than supportive.
Wow. Wait. Wow. Wait. Wow. Okay. Your turn. Supportive.
No, you have to do all 4 first.
No, it's one by one.
Okay.
Support.
Wow. Okay.
Chal. It's like you're not impressed.
Wow. Okay.
No, supportive. You have to support. Again. Okay, I'll start again. This is scrap it. Wow. Okay.
You meant it.
Okay, your turn.
Wow. Okay. No,
Look there, I know.
I can't be supportive.
Be supportive.
Wow. Okay. I can't.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Wait, don't make me smile. It's like, you know, when you and I fight, I say wow. Wow. Okay. Your turn.
Wow. Okay.
This is very coming to you very naturally. Okay. Sarcastic. It's easy. Wow. Okay. Your turn.
Wow. Okay.
Everything yours is same. Wow.
I'm
okay.
saying the same thing, motherfucker. Oh wait, let me think.
Think.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Era. Okay. Okay. Last is flirty. Okay. I don't know how to flirt like that. थोड़ा सा आगे आ रहा है, तेरे मुंह पे बिल्कुल लाइट नहीं आ रही है. Wow. This light, you get scared. Flirty. I'm gonna flirt with
Why
two.
you like mewing?
मैं तो फ्लर्ट करूंगी तो क्या बहनड़ बन के करूंगी. I have to look cute, right? Wow. Okay. That's quite flirty. Right?
Mine's gonna be creepy, bro.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, you do it.
That I can do.
Flirty.
Wow. Okay.
Relax. Who the fuck are you flirting with? Wow. Okay. अपने घर की चाबी दे. Do properly. Flirty.
Wow. Okay.
Ain't nobody getting flirted by this. Wow. Okay.
Because I'm not gonna fucking say wow. Okay, no, I'm not gonna flirt.
You have to.
Wow. Okay.
भाई तूने मुझे कैसे ही पटा लिया मुझे नहीं पता.
ऐसे ही लगा गया.